markets move in three distinct phases. It's one of the things that we talk about in chapter 4 of the book, Your Money Galaxy, because we have to understand, it's important to understand the realities of the galaxy, the universe we live in. And when we are in that money universe and we want to make sure we're being a good steward of our money, we have to understand the realities of the three phases of the market. There are times of decline, times of recovery, and times where the market is hitting new high or creating new money. And that underscores how important it is to have a game plan for up markets, a game plan for down markets, and to have a really clear way to be able to tell the difference between the two. We call it the 3 rules.